A tort is a civil wrongdoing other than a breach of contract. It protects individuals from being treated unfairly, resulting in a loss or harm. A person suffering from loss or harm due to another party may seek to take civil action. That person is then referred to as the plaintiff, and the other as the defendant. An act can be both a tort and a crime. This means that an individual can seek compensation in civil court for the emotional distress that they may have been caused due to an assault or wrongdoing, and whereas the state can seek jail time for the crime. In every tort, there are three elements that need to be proven for the defendant to be found guilty. These are that there was a duty breached, that there was legal duty owned, and that the plaintiff suffered damage due to the defendant's negligence. Under tort law, actions that result in loss or injury can be categorised into intentional or negligent. Intentional torts may include assault, trespassing, or intentional infliction of emotional damage. Or damage or distress. For a tort to be considered intentional, the defendant has to have had the intent to cause harm, has intended to cause harm, which then results in injury or loss. When an individual has experienced intentional torts, they can either choose to accept their injuries or make a settlement with the offender or the offender's insurance company. They can also file a lawsuit against the offender. Negligence is defined as a failure to take proper care of something. In the outdoor industry, negligence is the main claim that is taken to court. Negligence in the outdoor industry can be the failure to demonstrate they were upholding their duty of care. In a negligence case, a person must be proven to have a duty of care to the individual that has suffered loss or damage, and it must also be proven that the defendant did not behave in a sensible manner to demonstrate care as a result of the defendant's actions. As a result of the defendant's actions, the plaintiff suffered injuries. When a person is found guilty, they must restore the loss or harm that they have caused. This can be by payment, repair, or replacement. Indemnification is an agreement to pay for losses another person suffers. When a person is covered by an insurance, the insurance company pay for the losses incurred. Often when a person undertakes an adventure activity, they are to sign a waiver. This protects the guide from losses or injury they may suffer due to the nature of the activity. However, it does not protect them against negligence. This is why it is essential that an outdoor guide follows the correct procedures and upholds their care to their participants so that no injury, loss or harm is caused to their participants. Thank you.